Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So students, in this video I am going to explain you about subtraction of rational numbers. I have already taught you about addition of rational numbers. So today I will be explaining you about subtraction of rational numbers. So for any two rational numbers a upon b and c upon d, how do we subtract them? A upon b and c upon d. If we want to subtract these two rational numbers, see a upon b plus minus c upon d, can we write like that? Yes, we can definitely write like that. And we all know that c upon d, what is the additive inverse of positive c upon d? The additive inverse of positive c upon d is नेगेटिव सी अपॉन डी, दैट इज माइनस सी अपॉन डी. सो मतलब क्या होता है आपका, अगर किसी दो इंटीजर्स को, सॉरी नॉट इंटीजर्स, in the previous video I was making the video of integers, that is why by mistake I have said integers. So if there is a rational number a upon b, right, and we have to subtract from a rational number c upon d. So what do? We are subtracting it like this, and can we write like this? Plus minus is minus. So we can say that a upon b plus the additive inverse of c upon d is the subtraction of a by b minus c by d, right? Now taking some examples to make it clear, if I ask you to write the additive inverse of 7 upon 8, what will be the additive inverse of 7 upon 8? Reply your answers in the comment section, pause the video and reply your answers. So 7 upon 8 का additive inverse होगा minus 7 upon 8. If I talk about the additive inverse of minus 12 upon 7, what is the additive inverse of minus 12 upon 7? So the additive inverse of minus 12 upon 7 will be 12 upon 7. What is additive inverse? Additive inverse here means something which when added to that number will make it 0, right? So how do we subtract the rational numbers? If the denominator is same, we are going to follow the same method as we did it in addition. But if the denominator is not same, then we have to take the LCM, जो कि हमने addition में भी किया था. And one thing which you have to keep in mind always is check for the negative denominators. If any of the denominator is negative, make it positive. And to make it positive, what we are going to do? We are going to multiply it by minus 1, both the numerator and the denominator. Okay. So I will be taking some examples to explain you subtraction of rational numbers. Like if I want to subtract 3 by 4 from 7 by 2, right? How will I subtract? फ्रॉम के बाद का जो नंबर होता है विच इज़ रिटन आफ्टर द फ्रॉम विल बी टेकन फर्स्ट, ठीक है. 7 by 2 में से आपको 3 by 4 को क्या करना है? सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप विल बी टेक द एलसीएम. द एलसीएम ऑफ 2 and 4 इज 4. सो मल्टीप्लाई इट बाई 2. नाउ 14 minus 3 upon 4 is equals to 11 upon 4, right? I think it's very easy, right? So we have done the subtraction. So in the same way you will be getting the question based on evaluation and simplification also. Now I am taking a word problem based on subtraction of rational numbers. Sum of two rational numbers is minus 5. If one of the number is minus 13 upon 6, find the other. See, there are two rational numbers. We don't know what are those two rational number. उन दोनों का जो sum है यानी a plus b is equals to minus 5. Now out of these two, one rational number is given to you. तो आप चाहे consider it as either a or consider it as either b. तो I am considering it as a, sorry. So minus 13 upon 6 is a and we don't know what is the value of b. आप b भी लिख सकते हो, x भी लिख सकते हो. So we have to find out the value of b. So how will we proceed? As you all can see that this minus 13 upon 6 is in negative. When it will go from the left hand side to the right hand side, it will become what? Reply your answers in the comment section. The sign will be changed, and what will be the new sign of this rational number? It will be plus, right? So minus 5 plus 13 upon 6, and we don't know what is here. So by default 1 will be considered if denominator is not given. Now what is the LCM of 1 and 6? The LCM of 1 and 6 is 6. So multiplying it by 6. So the value of B will be minus 30 plus 13 upon 6. One negative, one positive, and the greatest number is having negative sign. That means the answer will be minus 17 upon 6. Right, students? So I think you must have understood. Now one question which can come up is, what should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3 to get 5 upon 6? So you will write like this. What should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3 to get 5 upon 6? See, 2 by 3 से क्या माइनस करें कि हमें क्या मिल जाए? 5 upon 6. माइनस 2 by 3 से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाए? So for that how will you proceed? See, as you can see that minus 2 by 3 minus x is equals to 5 upon 6. Now this x is having negative sign. When it will go on the right hand side, sign change हो जाएगा. It will become what? It is going to become plus. So minus 2 by 3 is equals to 5 by 6 plus x. Now this 5 upon 6, it will go on the left hand side. The sign will be changed. It will be minus 5 upon 6. Right? Now the LCM will be 6. So minus 4 minus 5 upon 6 is equals to x. So minus 9 upon 6. 3 3s are 3 2s are. What is the value of x? Minus 3 upon 2. Understood, students? So this is how we are going to subtract the rational numbers or the rational numbers. So I am going to solve some questions from exercise 4D. The first question is based on additive inverse. So that will be done by you only. I am not going to solve that question. You all know what is additive inverse and how will you solve that question. Coming to question number 2, it is having total 10 options. So I will be solving from option number 6. ठीक है? The rest options are your homework. Minus 13 upon 9 from 0. तो 0 minus 13 upon 9. Minus minus plus. So 0 plus 13 upon 9. The answer will be 13 upon 9. Right? क्योंकि 0 के नीचे आप 1 कंसिडर करके अगर आप 9 से मल्टीप्लाई भी करेंगे तो 0 9 is 0. So there is no point of doing this and taking the LCM. So the answer will be 13 upon 9, because whenever we are adding 0 to any rational number, any integer or any natural number, the answer is the number itself. Okay? Now coming to the 7th option. Seventh option is minus 32 upon 13 from minus 6 upon 5. So minus 6 upon 5 minus 32 upon 13, right? Now how will you proceed? Minus 6 plus 32, minus 6 upon 5, minus plus 32 upon 13. And what is the LCM of 13 and 5? 13 and 5 का LCM होगा आपका 65. So multiply it by 13 and multiply it by 5. So minus 78 plus 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 16. Right? Plus 160 upon 65. Now 160 minus 78 is one integer negative, one integer positive. So the answer is 82 upon 65. What is the answer? 82 upon 65, because the greatest number is having positive sign. अगर ये सिंप्लीफाई हो सकता है तो सिंप्लीफाई करिए, नहीं हो सकता तो आप नहीं भी करेंगे तो भी आपका आंसर सही होगा. Now coming to the option number 8. So option number 8 is minus 7 from minus 4 upon 7. So minus 4 upon 7 minus 7 is equals to minus 4 upon 7 minus minus plus. By default 1 will be considered. What is the LCM of 1 and 7? The LCM of 1 and 7 is 7. So next step will be minus 4 plus 49 upon 7. Now 49 minus 4 is 45 upon 7 because the greatest number is having positive sign, right? So now we have done option number 8 also. Coming to option number 9. Option number 9 is 5 upon 9 from minus 2 upon 3. So minus 2 upon 3 minus 5 upon 9. The LCM of 3 and 9 is 9 only. As I told you, if the numbers are from the same table, that is 3 and 9 is the multiple of 3. So the bigger number will be the LCM. So 9 is the LCM. तो आप 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे माइनस 6 माइनस 5 अपॉन 9 एंड माइनस माइनस प्लस. सो द आंसर विल बी माइनस 11 अपॉन 9. कमिंग टू द लास्ट ऑप्शन, दैट इज 10th ऑप्शन फ्रॉम दिस क्वेश्चन. फाइव फ्रॉम minus 3 by 5. So minus 3 by 5 minus 5. By default 1 has to be considered because no denominator is given to you and the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5 only. So minus 3 minus 25 upon 5. The answer is minus 28 upon 5 because minus minus plus, right? So we have solved question number 2 also, and I hope everybody must have understood about the subtraction of rational numbers. Question number 1, that is additive inverse. You have to do it by yourself in the maths homework copy. Question number 2 के मैंने आपके जो options skip किए हैं, you have to do it in the maths homework copy. Okay students? So I hope everybody must have understood. If somebody is having any problem, any difficulty, reply your queries in the comment section. And few days ago I got one message from one of the student of class 7 that she has received an old link of the video. तो old link आपको मिला by mistake, वो चला गया, ठीक है. हो सकता है कि कुछ confusion हो गई होगी. So what you have to do is, that is why I always say to subscribe the channel. If you will subscribe the channel, you will automatically get the notification. There is no need to get the link on the WhatsApp. अगर कभी किसी technical वजह से नहीं आ पाता link, but then also you will get the notification in your YouTube, right? And from that you can watch the video. So thank you students for the cooperation. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.